Hi witches, so today I am going to be doing a very fun fire-themed unboxing. So as you know, we have been talking about working within the fire element and doing spellcraft that way, and one of the things we have talked about, maybe are talking about, I'm filming this a little bit in the future, is candle magic. Now I was approached kind of, I reached out to Witch's Kitchen and I ordered some very cool stuff from them, so I wanted to unbox that for you guys today. I really like supporting small businesses, and she was super sweet, and we talked about our craft a little bit like in DMs and stuff. So if you are interested in just like supporting a small witchy business, definitely check out the Witch's Kitchen, and I will link everything in the description. But she was super sweet, and I like the range of products are really beautiful. So I wanted to open it on camera and talk about it. So yeah, I have had this in my house for a couple days, and it's been like so tempting just to open because I wanted to see it, but I wanted to make sure I had time to film it properly. So that's what we're gonna do. I can already see glitter, which is really exciting because I love glitter. So I got the box open. And the first thing they have here is all of the Instagram information and stuff. And then this is actually really cool. On the back, they have directions for if you have loose incense, for using ritual oils and ritual salts. So I didn't get any of that, but that is a very nice addition. So I got two separate things. Okay, so the first thing I actually got specifically for the full moon for May. So if that gives you a little bit of a timeline as to when I'm filming this. But this is the Lucid Herbal Pre-Roll. I like to use smoking in my craft, especially herbal smokes and herbal smoking blends, and I really like to just like try different blends and stuff. So this was like very cool. This one has this has mugwort, roses, and spearmint in it. So yeah, nothing illicit or illegal, but it is just like a really cool little pre-roll. So I'm excited about that. I plan on consecrating it. I don't know if I talked about this a little bit in my other video, but I plan on consecrating it and using it for some divination things during the lunar eclipse. So yeah. And then I also got the Prosperity candle set, which is super cool. Okay, just making sure. So it came with a large candle and then two smaller candles. So two smaller tea lights like that, and I will insert the listing. Okay, so I looked up the listing really quick because I want to make sure I got everything right. So the main pillar candle, oh, a little spell jar. Forgot that came with it. Okay, so the main pillar candle is like really cool looking and has like a nice rune on it. I just really love the shape of that. Like, I think that is amazing. And it has Unakite, citrine, green wax, and bay leaves on it, as well as a prosperity rune. The spell jar has similar ingredients, but it also looks like it has like rice and stuff in it. Some green wax. Of course, the two little candles that also have bay leaf, I believe, on them. So, or spearmint, it looks like, I'm not sure. I forget what the listing says. So again, I'll list the listing. But these are what I got, and I really like them. I love that she used green, obviously, for like the color magic properties of it. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. And I really liked the way it all looked, and I've never seen a candle with such a unique shape. Like, I really like the shape of it. I know that's a strange thing to say. I also really like the color. Like, kind of, it's not that like really, I feel like sometimes when you get candles from metaphysical shops for like prosperity magic, they are like really vibrant green, and it's almost like tacky. But I like that this is kind of that subdued, almost like blue green, and I think that's really cool. So I am going to insert pictures from my full moon altar so you can see how I use these. I've not really bought ritual candles like that I haven't done myself before. So this was a really great experience, and I think it's like a perfect size. It's a working that I'm going to be doing for you know, a while, like over a series of days, but it's nice to have the two tea lights because like one of my least favorite things about like candle magic, and I love candle magic, don't get me wrong, but one of my least favorite things is that sometimes it takes forever for a candle to burn down, and I'm like, I got things to do, and then I like kind of get out of the ritual headspace, and I feel like, you know, I lose some of the magic almost. So yeah, that is my little unboxing. If you guys want to see pictures, check out my Instagram, and then of course I have linked everything down below. If you have a shop you want me to check out, definitely link that too. And I will try to be a patron to anyone who you know, links something, because I really want to support my like community when I can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.